Today we're going to be creating rainforest leaves. Our learning target is I can apply the element of art, color value. To start, you'll need to use a pencil to draw a whole leaf or just zoom in and draw a portion of a leaf. You'll need to draw the outline of the leaf as well as the veins of the leaf. Then you'll add circles or ovals for your water drops. Using watercolor paint, start to add color to your leaves. You can use realistic colors like dark greens, light greens, and yellows, or unrealistic colors, but you need to use color value when thinking about the colors to add onto your leaves. Color value in art is the lightness or darkness of a color. With watercolor paint, you achieve dark colors by using a little bit less water and more paint. To achieve lighter colors of one color, you use more water and less paint. You can also use different shades of blues and yellows to make shadows or highlights using watercolor paint. Use water to blend those multiple different colors or multiple different shades together. If you don't like the harsh line from green to yellow or whichever color you're choosing, just add water to your brush and blend the colors together. Make sure you're painting around your water drops. You don't want to paint over top of them. Leave them white for now. It helps to look at an image of a leaf in order to paint it as realistic as possible. The insides of your leaf are probably going to look darker than the outside edges, which is why my outside edges are yellowish or brighter in color, and the inside is darker bluish, dark green, and my veins are lighter in color because the picture I chose, my veins looked highlighted or lighter. Use a contrasting color to paint your background. This will help your leaf really stand out and pop out from the page. Erase any pencil lines that might be inside of your water drops and grab some colored pencils that are going to help you make your water drops appear three-dimensional. Since I used mostly greens and yellows, I'm using dark green to start drawing a circle or an oval or whatever shape I created a water drop. I'm using my darkest colored pencil to trace around it. I'm using my darkest colored pencil to trace around the whole shape that I made. I'll then use a lighter colored pencil to color in the center. To make your water drops appear like they have a shadow, you'll start with a black color pencil on the top of your water drop and on the bottom. Watch how I do it first. This is the bottom that I'm starting on, and I'm making a thick black line below my water drop. On top of the water drop, I'm making another thick black line. Now this is going on the water drop, not on the leaf above it. For underneath the water drop, you're going under the water drop on the leaf below, but for the top shadow, it's on the water drop. Use your colored pencil to kind of blend the black colored pencil downward. Next, you'll add a highlight to every water drop somewhere near the top. I'm choosing kind of the top right of each water drop. So I'm going to make kind of an oval-like shape with my white paint that's going to look like a highlight.